Replicant AI is a different type of artificial intelligence. Unlike commonly used game AIs, Replicant AI doesn't follow a set of pre-programmed behaviors. In fact, it has no standard behavior or any knowledge of the game rules at the game start. It instead learns how to behave by learning from the player exclusively. This is accomplished by recording all the actions a player takes and saving them as replay files. The AI then searches through these replay files to find the replay that is the most similar to the current in-game state, and plays that replay back until the game state no longer fits the currently running replay or the replay ends, in which case the AI finds a new replay to play back. In this example, the player is recording themselves running around an opponent. The movement of the player relative to the opponent is then saved as a replay, and once the AI starts up, it tries to find a replay in which the opponent is top right of the AI. The AI then plays that replay back, but has to adjust and search for new replays when the opponent moves too much or the currently running replay ends. Now, what are the advantages of Replicant AI over common AI approaches? It allows players or designers to create AI behaviors on their own, simply by recording their actions. As seen in this clip, the bot learned to stay at an exact distance from the opponent with a few simple recordings. You can test this in-game by recording a bunch of behaviors and letting the AI replay it. Maybe even more importantly, it allows the creation of bots that play like a player does, if the bot has enough replay data from said player. This opens a lot of potential for games, like playing with copies of your friends when they aren't online, or playing against copies of pro players for practice, or even playing against a copy of yourself. You can test this in the game by starting the Fight Yourself mode. Keep in mind that the AI starts with no replays and at first won't act at all until you beat it once. From then on, it keeps learning from you, meaning that if you teach it bad behavior, it will negatively impact the AI's performance down the line. For this reason, it is recommended to act like you're seriously fighting to win right from the beginning.